So hi and welcome to another video, and today we're going to be taking a look at the G305 here and doing a weight reduction mod from small weight reduction mods using an additional battery converter for a AAA battery or tin foil, weighing every part down to the extreme where we're going to be using the Dremel that you lot have all asked me to take a look at and perhaps use instead of using a drill, because it seems a little bit more of a better way to mod it, let's be honest. So if you haven't already, check out my G Pro wireless weight reduction mod or my Model O. And I also got a website, beardedbob.com, where I put a lot of comparisons up there. I'm still working on it, but there's also a place to vote and to request additional videos, which a lot of you are using at the minute, which is good to see. And I am trying to get those into the voting system. If you're not aware, I've also got a Beardedbob gameplay channel, which I've taken away the gameplay from this channel. And I put it in a separate one. I'll put a link in the description where I'm playing Insurgency, Fortnite, Ring of Elysium, all the games that I play, using the gaming peripherals that I review generally to show you that I actually do play with these gaming peripherals as well. I also stream on a Friday night on Twitch. I want to stream some more, but I can't at the minute, so it's only Friday nights. Check me out, I'm under Beardedbob. So put in the comments at the moment how much weight you think I'm going to reduce this by, and let's get on with this weight reduction mod. So that's it, the G305 weight reduction mod here. We've gone a little bit extreme maybe with some of the drill holes. I've tried to keep them nice and tidy. But there's a few things before you go that I'd like to say optional and I probably wouldn't do if I was going to use this personally, which I probably will be doing as my traveling mouse. The first thing is, you see how high the buttons are sitting? That's because we took the, what looks like a kind of a tensioner out of the Logitech here. Now the buttons still work 100%, or you end up having a bit more pre-travel. I personally think I'd put them back in, and that's probably what I'm going to do on this mouse. So that's the first thing I'd do. The second thing that I think, which is quite obvious for most people, is I would put the scroll wheel back in. I use this when I'm surfing, and I also use it for some movement within games. A lot of people don't, hence I've took it out here to show you how much weight you can remove, and also the left side buttons as well. But overall, 67 grams is a good weight reduction here. Quite impressed. I don't think the drill holes have come out too badly. There's no way to template these, which is a bit awkward. What I tried to do here was I tried to make them symmetrical on each side. Does it feel rough? Yep, there's a little bit more texture to it. But for me, I don't mind that because the 305 for me is a little bit slippy. I think what was noticeable in this G305 is there's not too much you can remove without doing permanent damage to the mouse as such. If you want to remove some of the weight in here, you're going to have to avoid the warranty. You could remove the scroll wheel and the side buttons. They're not going to cause any problem. It's nice to see Logitech here put the side buttons on a plug pin here so you can take them out without actually damaging it. But other than that, you're going to have to drill it, or you're going to have to Dremel it like I did. The Dremel was pretty good, so cheers for that. Thanks for that tip. Feel free to give me some more. So the G502 is certainly flying ahead now as a priority weight reduction video. And I do want to do that next, but I need to do the light speed review here that I've got first. I might do a G502 with the cable weight reduction. Let me know if you'd rather me do that, and I can do that probably straight away. But I was going to do it on the light speed because that's the latest one. I think they're going to be very similar. In the meantime, I'm also going to do the XM1, which is also flying ahead, which I've just done a review on. And that's also high in the charts. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you again soon. Bye bye.